Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use transitions and animations in Google Slides. These features help make your presentation smoother, more dynamic, and more engaging. First, open your presentation in Google Slides. So here, select the slide where you want to add a transition. Then click Transition in the toolbar. As you can see, a panel will appear on the right side of the screen. From here, you can choose any transition style you like, such as dissolve, fade, slide from the right, slide from the left, and more. You can also adjust the transition speed below. And if you want the same transition on every slide, simply click Apply to all slides. So now, let's add animation to an object. Click any text, image, or shape on your slide. Then click Add Animation in the same panel. Choose the animation style you want. As you can see, your object will now animate during the presentation. You can preview everything anytime by clicking the play button at the bottom of the panel. And that's it! Thanks for watching!